Yeah, my dear friends, I'm very excited today to share the another success story with all of you. So let's welcome Mr. Purvik Gavda from Karnataka, and he'll be sharing his story by his own words. He has got a very interesting uh, story to share with all of you. So let's welcome Mr. Purvik Gavda straightforward to connect with all of you.
Thank you, Pradeep sir. It was very pleasure attending all your classes. Hi everyone, my name is Purvik. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm a professional. As a professional, I'm from IT. I'm a project manager as a professional, and I met Pradeep sir in the month of December last year. I saw his postings on Facebook. Felt very interesting. I thought that I'll nominate myself for first class of training. So we had a talk, and I shared my issues, saying that I had loans and other stuff, so, which were very much hitting my personal life as well as my professional life. So I shared. First thing was I shared my problems to with Pradeep sir. Then he gave a few remedies, and the remedies started working very well, and I was able to sustain myself for a few months. And then he introduced a second course, advanced course. I was a part of it, and very well. What I would say is, Sir's training was very good, and his remedies were very powerful. For example, when I took my advanced course, I started doing consultation with the people, and what are the predictions I gave to the clients? It was 100% or 80 to 90 to 95% very predictive and very accurate with his knowledge and the notes he provided. That's the best part of his training, and it was very successful. So as I started initially, first thing I shared these things with Pradeep sir whenever I got these good feedback. There was a conflict going on with one of my friends' sister. So they started telling about their problems, and then I told that this person belongs to this date of, he may be born on so and so date. Like for example, a character, they described the character, told the date, and they were very shocked that how did you know about it? That's so kind of knowledge what Pradeep sir shared with me actually, and it was first experience which I went through. Then I saw a person, first client was from Chikmagalur, he visited me, and he was into very lot of problems like me. He didn't have a single penny in his pocket, and he was not able to provide even the consultation fees as well. So what I did is whatever remedy what Pradeep sir has shared with us, I gave those remedies for a simple puja or do Shiv puja things, and write the numbers, what basic remedies for 5 rupees. This guy came down in a week or 15 days, and he started purchasing. He gave me 7,000 of business. Like he took the yantras, a couple of yantras. He took my wish list. So he started growing up, and he started referring people. So that's how the impact of Pradeep sir was with me, and great teacher. So people are coming to me till date. I don't personally go and introduce myself, but people are coming to me now these days to get their issues resolved. There are so many people who don't have a proper income, where we suggested the basic remedies and advanced. People are coming for advanced remedies. People are getting a lot of benefit. And to be very frank with you, whatever the investment I did on these courses, I already got the refunds. And here and there, I'll be getting consultation fees. Where that may be small, but it is helping the people a lot. So that's very impact. That's getting people inspired, and I'm trying to get more people here. That's one advantage or what benefit I saw myself, and I feel very proud about it meeting Pradeep sir, because I was able to understand myself and I was able to implement my remedies. They were working fine, and the biggest drastic change which happened in the month of from the month of April till date is a drastic change, and I'm very thankful to Pradeep sir for giving us such a great remedies. To be very frank, I got to know that I'm being thrown out of the job on April 30th. So I got a hint a week ahead, and I remember Pradeep sir had given a remedy for jobs. So immediately I called sir, sir, this is what the confirmation, this is what the remedy gave. So should I proceed? Sir told, let's go ahead and proceed and have an update. Believe it or not, on 28th of April, I started the remedy. That was a Wednesday. That remedy should be done on a Wednesday. So I did it. I showed sir that this is what I'm doing. So he told, okay, go ahead. So I did that. I did the remedy, which was very peculiar enough, or very different kind of remedy actually. So I did it, and immediately I got a job interview in one of the companies on 29 before I was being removed of the organization. That happened within a day. I did this remedy. I got an interview. Then, in my life, first career of 13 years of experience, I was given an opportunity to select an organization that be or being organization selecting me. That's a very fun, very different kind of experience I had. So what happened? I did this remedies. All of a sudden, I got an interview. May 5th, my second round was scheduled. I cleared that. I referred my friends as well to attend that company, but they did not get selected. I got selected. That was a different part of it. I got 4 proposals for organization proposals. I cleared 2 interviews. One was no result, and one was a reject because some reasons. That was my personal. I was not into a proper condition to give the interview because it was my failure, not the remedy failure. Doing this remedy, May 5th, I got this second round. I cleared it. Then slowly I started getting off letter. All of a sudden, my wish was like, as I discussed before doing this remedies, I discussed with Pradeep, sir, my credits are high. The only thing is I need to raise my income. So sir gave that remedy. He told, this is how we have to do it. I did it. And believe it or not, all of a sudden I get a call on Friday, says that you have been selected for a different company and you have to go on the first round of interview on the Saturday itself. So I finished the round immediately. I went Monday 6:30. I get a call and 5:30. I get a call and say we have a second round with you. I cleared the round and I got more than what I expected actually, to be very frank. And the designation is also very great. I became an AVP now for one of the organization, which is a financial organization and very stable organization work-wise. So that was the progress happened. This progress happened in 90 days time, and it was a drastic change. And now, with help of producers teaching remedies, I'm able to clear all the debts what I have. This was the main thing which I asked, requested producer to help. So this has been happening. More about that, right? His books, his training in advanced courses, be it a logo part, be it the name numerology or basic consultation, is very clear and very unique. I don't have to tell anything, just he goes through it, or he teaches the same knowledge, what he shares the same knowledge, what he gained. And what I can say is I am very grateful to Pradeep sir, and I was very proud, or very feel grateful to our sir for giving or sharing all his reasons. Due to the lockdown also, it was a difficult time for 2 months to sustain my numerology or Pradeep sir training helped me out to sustain my daily livelihood. And grateful. I think I will start this more professional coming days once everything is set out, and it'll take me to a different level. Thank you, sir, once again for such a great training and teaching you give me.
Malab, you said you have become a loan-free person. How much duration this took you to become a loan-free man, actually, from a
See, it took the remedies were started on April 28th, and it took me just sadly about June 28th, July first week to become loan free.
okay.
It's just 90 days of time, less than 90 days, I can say it took.
Okay. And what were your expectations earlier? Malab, how long is going to be take to you to be a loan-free guy, actually?
Actually, I thought all my life I'll drive with a loan.
Oh
Very
my God.
frank, because it was such a condition. Actually, I thought through all my life I'll be on the loans and I'll not have ways to cover them. But now with 90 days, I've got a different ways to clear them up. That 90 days is a period
Wow.
where a result of a good positive way of closing the loans, and where you get a more extra income than more than expected. It's 3 to 4 times what you're getting. Obviously, you'll be able to do that, right? So
Wow.
that's how it was. And it took 90 days for me.
What about your clients' feedback? Let's say you must have given remedies to some of your clients. So, any specific incident you want to quote here?
Sorry, your voice broke. It was.
I said like any specific clients' feedback you want to share where you have given the remedies and they have got the benefit out of it.
Yeah, I had one. I just visited a salon. That was the first time I was visiting that particular salon because I'm a little bit fancy about my hairstyle and everything. So I visited one of the best saloons there, and I saw him wearing a tiger eye type bracelet. I asked him, why are you wearing this? He told someone asked me to wear, and I'm wearing it. So I started building the conversation, and I told him, okay, I do numerology. If you're interested, let me know about it. So he sent his date of birth, and I started calculating. I told him that you're a Jugaad Admi, you'll do everything, and everything is going to happen. He told, "Yeah, absolutely right, sir." Then I did the remedies for him, and believe it or not, his income was nearly about 10,000 to 12,000 per week. It increased to 24,000, 30,000 right now.
Wow.
And he also had some loans. He cleared them, and although he had a lockdown because of the remedies what we gave him, like Rudra Yantra remedy and our tiger eyes and other remedies what we gave him, suggestions what I gave him, he was able to make sustain his life. And that is the funniest part was he's our friend of my relative, which I never knew. We met in a function recently. Then I understood that he was my cousin's friend. So he shared his feedback saying that, sir, I'm able to clear my loans and I'm happy. I'm able to save my money. And He's referring many people. But that's one of the feedback I got from the client. And it is not only one client, it is many people who reached me out for the consultation, then to very good, very, they are earning good. They have their livelihood, they're happy about it. They call me, they tell me, this is what good thing happened to me. It's not only one client, every client is happy with from my side
Yeah.
with your recommendations.
That's wonderful. And what is the technical about? What do you feel is the difference between the advanced course and the master course? Any specific thing you want to quote out for the people to understand?
Yes, a basic thing course is just giving an overall first thing which we started, which I went through. You give did not. I don't feel any differentiate between your basic course or advanced course or a master course. You're giving right information to the right people, and you know exactly what should be done. Right. I understand that the duration level may be more, but the depth of knowledge you give in each and every course is very depth. The remedies are like, you give a first, of course, the overall you give, this is what it is. The same thing is covered in depth in advance, and which gives more knowledge. And master is it's awesome. Like, you're going to do logos where you make us understand, the students understand what logo stands for, why it is, and why you're doing this remedies, what is the reason behind it, what are the impact of missing numbers. These are different things. Although we cover it at the first class itself to the basic level, the more we advance we go, you're going more depth and give us a more knowledge on that part.
That's great. Any suggestions for the audience? Like most of the people have in the mind that astrology is the bigger platform. For sure, it is a bigger platform, and they never tried their hand in learning this kind of occult science actually. So once numerology come into the picture, it becomes comparatively more easy. Well, any points you want to say to the people who wants to be take the control of their life into their own hands actually by getting into this kind of a field? Uh,
Actually, yeah, absolutely. See, to the audience, very frankly enough, speaking to you, I'm an IT professional and I'm PMP certified. If you know the language of PMP, it's a project management professionals, being into a very good designation as well and earning a handsome salary as well. But still, I opted this. The reason behind is one who wants to understand, one who wants to make his livelihood. If he's doing it dedicatedly or he follows it, he'll have a life under his control. He knows what he has to do for his own self, their family members, and also he can make a good business if you want to make it your professional. And Pradeep sir teaching, I'm repeating this because I have reached many number of numerologists or being one of my own friend. The way they treat or the way Pradeep sir treats or the knowledge he shares is truly different than what others do in the market. And today I'm very proud and very happy. I'm having a control of myself, and I know what I'm doing. I know what is my character is. I know what my destiny number is, and what I should be doing, what should not I be doing, only because of the course of Pradeep sir. And I'm not going to forget him throughout my life for his thing. Tomorrow, if even if something happens, I leave my job, I have the ability, I have the own self-confidence that I can sustain my life freely with the knowledge provided by Parisa, and I'm happy I was part of his all the courses.
Thank you. Thanks, Purvik, for this wonderful sharing with other people that will obviously enlightening a lot of lives actually by sharing your views and taking out your time. And if you also want to be the part of our upcoming free webinar sessions and immunology session, you'll find a Telegram link out there in the description. You can join that group and you can be the part of our upcoming sessions. And we again thank you, Purvik, for a wonderful sharing with other people. Anything else you want to quote out at the towards the end? Something you want to say? A single liner kind of a statement?
Single single liner. What I can say is I was blocked with all the ways. I got away. God gave me gift or showed me a way in the name of Pradeep Singalia, and proud, and very thankful. You don't know what my life is right now, what changes I got, and I'm very thankful to you for all the efforts and time given
It's
for
okay.
me to go ahead and teach me
God bless
everything.
you.
I know the value of what I am right now. Thank you so much, Pradeep.
God bless everyone. Take care, everybody. We'll catch you up in the next video or next success story very shortly. Thank you.